What I'll do, I'll take a grease fitting, put in my lock and lube, and pump her forward. Now I need a rag. I'll wipe a little bit of this off right here. And I'll put the plug back. Don't know if this is the proper way to service that, but that's what I'm doing. Should have been checked before now, because it needed grease. It's pretty bad. Well, that made the head just a little bit quieter. The engine's still got a little bit of a mess in it though, at times, seems like. Might pull that plug out and look at it. I thought we'd bought a spark plug, but I don't see it anywhere. I'll look around and see if I can find it. Went ahead, I found a spark plug. It was an old one I had. And that helped it. This one, y'all probably can't see it. But there's a little something in between the gap right there that's probably making it misfire. I'll see if I can clean that up. And it also looks like it's a little bit too out of tolerance. I'm not sure what the specs are supposed to be on them. I need to find out, but may just get him a new spark plug, which that and ours doing good, but it's one that come out one of my chainsaws. But it's running better than it was. And these spark plugs can break down. Just cause the tips on them look good, that don't mean they're good. They'll break down and ground out internally. I've had that happen on like the forklift at school did that one time, and it wouldn't run hardly at all. Whatever that is in there has kind of welded itself to it, and I guarantee that's why it wasn't running good, because it's running fine now. Now we'll get into doing Hayden's real fast. Shouldn't take long, hopefully. He's got a Husqvarna tune-up kit here. Get it opened up. Spark plug caps. I don't really like how they're made. Landon's weed eater's running a little rough too. Oh boy, that spark plug's bad shape. Real bad. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's definitely needing some attention. Take the air filter off. He's missing part of his air filter. Or is it stuck over here? He's changed it. It ain't at some point. It's not too bad. Doesn't look to be. It must have been changed last year. So it still looks good. But since we got it, we'll go ahead and put on a new one. Okay, let's see how this one will start. Now, it's not been run yet this season. I poured gas all over everything. There to go. Okay. Okay, that tire is going to be a spare for the buses. I've got one on a 6-lug rim, a 10R22.5 for the red truck. I've got one on a 10-lug, 11R22.5 for the white International, and then I've got a 10R22.5 on a 10 lug for the buses. So, and it's a pretty good tire here. It has been repaired at one time. Right here you can tell. But that should be a good tire if I need it. Well, I bought some mud flaps to put on the bus. Yes, last night, I guess it was. So I'm gonna get it, crank it up, let the air build up, and get it in the shop. Now, let that run a few minutes and we'll get it moved inside. All right, I got the mud flaps on. I think that's gonna look pretty good. Look pretty good. I'm on both sides. Kind of adds a little something to it, and it's gonna keep a little bit of stuff from getting thrown up under it too. I doubt if y'all can see this very good, but I went and caulked all my seat holes, and then I painted the bottom there. I painted it silver, or hammer gray actually, up to where my seats are at. And I might lay down under them seats and paint the rest of it one day. Then I've been up underneath the bus cleaning off the old grease and dried dirt and stuff from around the slack adjusters. Greased the slack adjusters and the shaft going over the S-cam. Greased the rear spring shackles, which I hadn't done any of that yet. And just kind of getting things checked over underneath. But, which I've been over there before, but checking it again. But if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and we will catch you on the next one.